Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you night photography guide on VIVO X300 FE. First, open your camera app and go into landscape and night. Remember to use this setting when you're at night, dark room, or just the light isn't very good for it to even work. You have to hold steady for a few seconds while taking the picture. I've prepared 2 photos beforehand to show you how it works. First photo is using normal camera without night mode. As you can see, the photo is low quality, you can barely see anything, and there's no details. Now, this is the photo of the same scene using night mode. As you can see, better lighting, better quality, a lot more details. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.